How to install Apollo Group TV on Firestick. I'm going to tell you how to install Apollo Group TV on a Firestick. Start by turning on your Firestick and going to the home screen. Use the search function to find an app called Downloader. Download and install it. Next, go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. Turn on Apps from unknown sources. This lets you install apps that aren't in the Amazon App Store, like Apollo Group TV. Now open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the APK link from Apollo Group TV. You can usually find this on their official website or through their customer support. Once the APK is downloaded, select Install, wait for it to finish, and then click Open. Now you're in. Log in with your Apollo Group TV credentials and start streaming live channels, sports, or VOD content.